Hello there, Ruth Squires here. Thanks for joining me today. This is a beautiful golf course pool home that I'm going to show you. And I just don't want anyone to miss this. It's an incredible value, 3 years young, built in 2017. And the cost to replicate this home with the $57,000 worth of upgrades is pretty significant, well above the list price of $444,000. So the first thing I want to do is show you the beautiful view, the 12th fairway of the Skyway golf course. Let me switch my screen here. Maybe. I'll turn around so you can see it behind me. All right, so you can see the pool. This is a gas heated pool. It has an auto fill feature, so you don't have to worry about the water levels, especially during the hot summer months when water evaporates so quickly. And that is the golf course out there. Very peaceful, very quiet. You have the occasional golf cart that you'll see going by and golfers. So a little entertainment there. I want to show you on the lanai here, the windows are tinted. So that's very good for energy efficiency. With the Florida sun, we've got a gas drop line for the grill. And now I'll take you inside. The first thing I want you to notice is this open flow. So we're looking at the kitchen, the living room, straight through to the front door. And that front door has a retractable screen. So we're able to open up this whole entire house and just let air circulate throughout. So you can see very nice open concept kitchen, dining area. We've got transom windows as well as nice regular windows. We have a huge island. And I want to show you the setup of this kitchen. This kitchen Hi, Colleen. Glad you could join me today. Just starting the tour here of this house. I'm going to take you back actually and show you the golf course view. You missed that. So this is the 12th fairway of the Skyway golf course. So this home has magnificent views. It has a gas heated pool that you can see there. It has an autofill feature on the pool, so you don't have to worry about water levels. Very convenient. And I also want to mention this is a maintenance-free property. So you're going to buy this home and you're just going to live the life, if you will, enjoying what this has to offer. So this is the open concept living room, straight through to the front door with a retractable screen, kitchen, beautiful kitchen, double ovens, granite countertops, huge island, eat-in dining area. And look at, they've got the microwave under the countertop, gas cooktop, and some of the cabinetry design I just love. So this little cabinet I just opened is your paper towels. It works well for all of your blenders and your toaster ovens. So you don't have to leave that stuff out on the countertop. I love that. And you've got the trash cabinet with the built-in trash cans and just all the conveniences. Drawers, nice deep drawers in the kitchen. Beautiful backsplash. A pantry here. And then on this side of the house is the master bedroom. Take you into the master. And please just raise your hand if you have any questions for me, Colleen, that I can answer. So you can see there's good space in the master. The house has high ceilings. And I had mentioned earlier, I think before you joined, there's $57,000 worth of upgrades. This is a 3-year young home built in 2017. 2 walk-in closets. You can't see them very well, I know, on video, but and then a very nicely appointed master bathroom, 2 sinks, a linen closet, the private water closet, there, and this beautiful walk-in shower. And I'm gonna walk you in here because the shower has a lot of room. It's deceiving when you look at just the opening there. So big shower, nice seat in the corner, very pretty tile. So that's the master bathroom. I'll take you to the guest side of the house now. So after the entryway to the left, you have the guest hall, and you have, again, a nice linen closet and a beautiful bathroom with the same tile, different mosaic tile there in this bathroom, same granite. And the guest bedroom, again, a good sized bedroom, closet. The bedrooms are carpet. The rest of the house is nice 12 by 12 tile, ceramic tile. This is the laundry room. You've got the laundry tub. You have cabinets galore in this laundry room. Nice washer and dryer, extra space here where you can store, whatever you have that you need to have space to store. And then a true 2-car garage. So you can see there's a car in this garage. There's extra width on either side of the garage door, and there's room to store extra things. So again, this is a maintenance-free home. The community, the HOA, takes care of the cost of exterior maintenance. So I do think that that's a huge value. One of the master plan HOA for the gated community includes cable. So you don't have to add that onto your expenses. And if you broke down the maintenance aspects with the lawn care and the exterior pest control and the watering of the grass and all of that, I think you'd find that it's not, you're not paying a tremendous amount more than what you would to have to manage and hire those services. So this is the flex room. This room could be anything you want to make it. Right now, it's obviously set up as an office. Nice bay window. For some people, I know they like to have a formal dining room, so this certainly could become a formal dining room. You've got recessed lighting in here. You've got a nice fan. You could do a chandelier. There's room for a china cabinet. Just a really neat space, or it could just be a den, extra space there. And notice with the construction, you've got arch doorways, you've got bullnose corners, so they're not sharp edges. It's just a really great property. And again, this is listed for $444,000 for the age and the size and all of the upgrades with this home. It is a tremendous value. You cannot replicate this in the gated community and get a home like this for this price. It's 2,117 square feet of living area. And again, a premium location, premium view. So I'm gonna end there, letting you see that again. Well, thank you so much for joining me. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, 352-476-3303. Ruth Squires, your realtor on demand, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Have a great day.